Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of pausing a subscription in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Begin by logging into your AWeber account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate your account name in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your account name to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on the option labeled My Account. This will take you to the account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your AWeber account. On the account settings page, look for a tab or section labeled Billing. Click on this to access your subscription details, including your current plan. In the Billing section, you will see information about your current subscription plan. This includes details such as the plan type and payment information. Scroll down to the bottom of the billing page. Here, you will find the option to pause your subscription. When you click on the pause option, you may have the ability to specify how long you want to pause your subscription. This feature allows you to customize the pause duration according to your needs. Once you've selected the duration, click the Pause Subscription button to confirm your action. This will initiate the pause process. I hope you found this helpful. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.